This is a quick tutorial on how to properly install the battery in the back of the BodyWorn media controller to get it ready to pair to a device. I've removed the wrist strap on this media controller. Let's flip it over. As you can see, the battery cover is not flush to the device. It is unaligned from the housing, therefore the battery is not positioned correctly. Here on the back indicates whether or not the battery cover is locked or unlocked. Let's unlock it with a coin. Remove the battery cover and battery. Alright, let's fix this thing. Inside the media controller is a gold battery connector. We are going to put the battery back in, leaning it against the edge of the battery connector. Using the battery cover, hold the battery in place and align the battery cover to the unlocked position. While holding that down, use the coin to twist it into the locked position. Now we're ready to test it by long pressing the up and down buttons. If the battery is in place, the media controller will light up and go into pairing mode. This indicates that the battery is functioning properly and ready to go.